Hey YouTube, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to discuss about a new leak regarding the Redmi 9 which is popped up over the internet. And according to that leak, the Redmi 9 just have been popped up on the Xiaomi global RF certification, and which is confirming that the launching of that particular device is going to be happening in coming days. The model number M2004-319G is the model number for Redmi 9, which is expected a model number, and also this model number has been seen in China 3C certification as well. Not much detail regarding that particular device has been known yet, but there is a related model number which is M2004-319C, which indicates that it will be coming with a 10 watt of charging inside. But if that happens, it is going to be a downgrade from the previous generations of Redmi 8A and 8, because they are coming with an 18 watt of fast charging support inside the device. As I have told you earlier that we are not known about the expected specification for that particular device, but there are some rumors that we might see a 6.6 inch of IPS LCD display on front of the device, and the device is going to be powered by MediaTek Helio G70 chipset, which is a kind of entry level or a budget level devices chipset for gaming as well, and it is more powerful than the previous generations of Snapdragon chipset which we have seen in Redmi 8. Also on the Twitter, Shubhanshu has shared an image regarding the camera sensor for the upcoming Redmi 9s, and according to that image, if we look at very closely, you will notice that we will see a quad camera setup present inside the Redmi 9, and it is rumored to have a 13 megapixel of a main camera sensor, 8 megapixel of an ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel of a macro shooter, and 2 megapixel of depth sensor camera. Right now these leaks are early, and we may see more leaks and information regarding Redmi 9 in coming days, and also take these leaks as a pinch of salt. So guys, that is it in this video. Subscribe if you want more information about the upcoming devices, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.